Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Tnat Commerce and Industries jong Sorkar Jilla hene kasngi kelas dang ya ka Jinghikai ya ki Samla ki batrang ban Pynbhabriew yala de ha ka ban Pynbhabriew ne ka make up ha ka ktin pareng ha youth hostel Shillong ha ka ne kasngi lawan ban don lang na du uba ML Wanchnong u joint director ka Tnat Commerce and Industries u Shashang Bidash SPIU team leader uba A Malnyang u general manager ka District Commerce and Industries Center Shillong but deputy director ka Directorate of Commerce and Industries ha ka ni kasngi ladon langru ka kong Elizabeth Mukim ka banlong kanong Hikai ya kini ki Samla ki banwan sha Hikai Kakong Elizabeth kadai ka way na kilong kami na ka jila kabala pendap ya ka Jinghikai ba pero kum na France, Thailand, but Singapore. Kakong Mukim kalong ka way na kinong Hikai siya ki sanpungot ki Samla ki bawan ban sha Hikai. Habayakran bad u Deputy Director ka Tnat Commerce and Industries uba Winfred Warshong ulay thu ba katong jong ka Tnat. Kalong ban ailem kakti kamon kakti kadiang yaki Samla jong ka jilla ban yeng halaki jong ki kejat ulay thu ba ka Tnat kelas dang ya kani na du kini ki snem baladep bad lingba kani shibun ki Samla kilayo ban Seng kam Seng jam bad ai kam ru shaki way shushu ulay thu bana kini ki khna ki balajit ya ki tu ki balanang ya ka kam bad ka Jinghikai kalong ban Pynbhabriew shushu yaki ha kani ka kam bakimla ban ai ka babha yaki brew ki ba ai kam ai jam meki kani kalat kanlong ka badon kam bha yaki Samla namar ka kam sorkar ka duna balingba kini ki kam kin yo kam yo jam yala de bad kin la ban Pynbhabriew ya ka yeng ka sem ka jongki
shows your commitment and your passion towards this sector. At the outset, I would like to congratulate all the stakeholders involved in bringing this program to life, especially the team at RGCTC and the department officials who have envisioned a platform that blends skill development, creativity and entrepreneurship. The beauty and wellness sector is no longer just an ancillary service. It is a booming industry with increasing relevance in today's economy. The demand for skilled professionals in hairstyling and makeup artistry has grown rapidly, driven by media, fashion, weddings, lifestyle trends, and the evolving aspirations of the youth. The sector is going to reach USD 28 billion by 2025. So there is a huge demand in that, and I can see some of the male trainees have also come this time, like unlike the last batch. So makeup and grooming is not only restricted to ladies' own domain, but it has gone beyond that. Even the male are now concerned about their skill, hair, and the grooming thing. So it's a huge opportunity for you also. Thanks for coming. So what makes this sector even more exciting is its inclusivity. It empowers a wide range of individuals, especially women and youth, and enables them to become financially independent, self-employed, and even employees themselves. It is a sector where skill is the capital and the creativity is the currency. Under the RAM, Raising and Accelerating MSME Performance, central sector program sponsored by the Ministry of MSME and co-sponsored by World Bank, we are working to strengthen MSMEs in every possible way through targeted skilling, market linkage, technology adoption, and entrepreneurial support. Today's program reflects the scheme's commitment to capacity building, especially in emerging and high potential sectors like beauty and personal care. This executive program is not just a training course, it is launchpad for ideas, for livelihood, and for innovation. It equips participants with industry relevant skills while fostering a mindset of professionalism and business readiness. As the state project lead for the ramp in Meghalaya, I can confidently say that such interventions brings us closer to our goal of a vibrant and self-reliant MSME ecosystem.
Two batch, first batch for 25, another batch, second batch for 125, and then 50 trainees on hair and beauty care. No? So just I would like to highlight you, this scheme is being sponsored 90% from the Ministry of MSME, supported by the World Bank, and also 10% from the state chair. And also for your information, This RAM scheme is cover a lot of activities on this capacity building. And in the same time, I will tell you, for another training, for another trade like electrical electronics now is going on, maybe in Pura, and also in other activities, handicraft, then Assam, same program, and food processing, IHM, New Shalom, the Moscow Shalom is lot, and we have covered more than 500 trainees actually being trained on this RAM scheme so far. And huge target also to be done with this, to take care on this current financial year. Also, this RAM scheme is not only on capacity building, also is linking with entrepreneurship. Mostly our department we are concerned with how to set up your own enterprise. Anyway, some part of this capacity building mailing also with placement, but however our department is concerned, mostly we are related with that only, how to set up your own enterprise. Instead you will working somewhere, we are stressing more on how you will give employment to others. Okay. So on this capacity building mostly is related also on marketing linkage. So many things is there. After you complete your training, you may come to us and we'll guide you more what to be done on this particular program. And we are heading also the water scheme both from the state government and the ministry, different ministry to help you to climb water. So you take the most during your presence here, as we hear from someone over speaker have been told about the success stories of the past two batch. Also, I was being informed by our field officers, maybe from South Wales, Bakmara, or maybe far away, maybe Empathy, or maybe Clear. Those are completed from those, but they are very successful. And special thanks also to Madam was taken afterwards. And I would like to encourage, not only that you just listen or you just do what you did, whatever you need also, or maybe you need further, you make the most during this time. And you may take their contact number also, maybe after madam, if you like to take them further or you help them, whatever they find challenges or issues in their career, will be very helpful to them. So far, our department, we are really committed to help the youths like you, especially both men and women, how to go forward. As we have seen, the unemployment rate in our state is very, very high, and we are very thankful to the Ministry of MSME and also the World Bank who financially support to make this program materialize like this. Since, as I told you, it's a huge target which we have to go ahead with some other components also. So that's all from my encouragement to you during this 2 weeks. 2 weeks you will be here, which include also Saturday. So I would like to request our workshop also, kindly you see that the stay here also will be comfortable, and have a pleasant stay long, especially for friends from the rural areas, maybe from Kassil also coming from other district, and everything will be in place and make this training program is very successful and helpful to them in their career.
Program kaba New York lingba ka scheme ng program yang ka Ministry of MSME di kaniga training bangin le menta kade namanta kaniga makeup artist and little bit of hair di ijungi ka long ba hakini ki por menta long kom Pynbhabriew baro ki kwa ban Tnat ban Pynbhabriew di December ki bon ki programs kom ki weddings na ki birthday programs na kinu special occasion like everyone wants to look good. And then andangi perkat pat na kalian jong department ang hakanu kom nilaban tap ikanika market ke na Maria mentahi wala da fi hapan net ban puli kini ki course kini ki makeup artist ni ki skin care ki beauticians karemha kawai ke kos ke Shongdor dah kilak tengkah. Ti kalong ka hai using ni. Wala dah kidan kata ka skill lani kata ka sa jingnang baki kwa ban tre kini ki kam. Henry data nak daw jong kapisa baki mla ban effort ban CEO ya kini ka fees jong kini ki training ti ka penduk no mensim no ekik. Kita kadaw na kaliang ka department ni berkat bangin wan chakmat haka bangin plilat plelen tino ya kini ki kon samla jong ni kamtam itu kiba na ki district kiba per kom na po East Inter Hills District na South Garo Hills District na West Garo Hills na ki district kiba na kendong ti lingba kani ka sponsorship bang iyo na ka ministry tingila ban ay ka free course yaki kani kade mata artayo kalong khasan sngi kan sedang menta shipo naro men step nilai sta naro men menta sing shipo trik bat kan putla sa ta ba fit kini kade go ini Tnat kalong ba nakini ki kena bingi jiet nila jiet upai kena kiba ladon lupa ka jingnang jingtip jengki kimdei kiba thamai ha kani ka kam ndrei kidon kampat ya ka ban upgrade ka skill jengki ke techniques jengki takadaw ko ba fiu menengi wan ra i trainer ini trainer bangi wan ra mantai ide belawan pendep ka jing puli jeng i nasyabar kari ila dep ila tre sport Singapore sport Thailand sport Mumbai keleng song dam bat mantaru ila setup ya ko ga beauty parlor apa Shillong ka bahe ba tingi ni sugar part ini ba ini rap yang namar ban CEO gador bahe tingi mla tingi sugar part ba contribute dah ka ba wan banyarap lam ya ka sarkar ken ban ai ka jingnang jingtip ka ba ila tip ba ila nang ban benchet lam so ai kini tikut sama jingi probably lesi kidon kata jingnang jingtip ndre ka taka skill kimpat poisha kata ka level ba kila ban ai sha kata ka training ya kini ki nang kumakin la ban kum ki makeup artist ken ban ai ka ba ha te kum ini art ini khatsan sni di sni ba lengkot tang ba ha kini khatsan sni ke skill bangin ai ka long ba bangi upgrade ya ke skill ka ba kila adap dan lupa kidan san mi la juliet teng na ka department ni la juliet nang tapat ila ju kandap hikat tu kat ni ndai kam da dei ka ba man ko kumbo mentak kam sarkar kala dun ha ndai findat ha kan ki kam la jong ka de ka lat kelimpi ki bakin kalong nok ka self employed ken namar fi notice hi haga hakini ki makeups we brion da ki le tang ha poti wedding makeups try ka minimum charges ka ba ki charge kini brio kalong nam tai we brio lai ha ka tai ta bang perkat ide makeup fi na pit ka package ka po do hatsan haja tika tissue imagine fi kat ni teli ki jingya tho ki badan hasor kat ni teli ki jingya tho ki badan all over the states tilada maki kini ki lechakman mut kadika kabui ki bat kadika lat yo kam yo jam nam dei tam ta jiki dei nam ta kayeng kasen industry center haman ki district jong ka jong barok ko ka state ke ngidan haduk khat apli ki district tingi kwa bakan dan ka representation naman ki district tingi nila ai ki target si ki ICs ban scrutinize ban check kat nungut ki balong deserving ini ki candidates nama ngimla ban khot do barok takadaw ngila request ki GM jong ki DCIC jong hi bakin scrutinize bat ban jet gi bakongsan bat ki badan kam si syai ki tinga keling ba ki DIC jong ngila la ban jo ki nambut banyak tu ifi ban nakalian ka department jong ni ngidan ko ki scheme bagi implement ta ka de ka Prime Minister Employment Generation Program lingba ka ni ka scheme ngiju ajing rap yaki unemployed youths tikini ki kena ru andai kila dep ikini ki training kila ban one pa shaka department jigi lingba ki district commerce industry center ki badan haman ki district tikini kilet ban approach ki district but kila ban avail ki scheme